Happy Public Domain Day 2026 Cultural Liberation Tool. The Cultural Liberation Tool celebrates Public Domain Day 2026 with unprecedented access to newly freed creative works. This revolutionary platform transforms how users discover and utilize works entering the public domain on January 1st. The application provides instant access to thousands of books, films, musical compositions, and artworks from 1930 that became freely available worldwide. Users gain unrestricted rights to copy, modify, distribute, and commercialize these cultural treasures without permission or payment. The tool eliminates legal barriers that previously restricted access to these creative works for nearly a century. The Instant Archive Explorer feature delivers comprehensive catalogs of newly liberated content across multiple media formats. Users browse through digitized versions of classic novels, short stories, and poetry collections published in 1930. The system includes works by notable authors whose copyrights expired, making their complete bibliographies freely accessible for the first time in decades. Advanced search filters allow users to locate specific genres, publication dates, or author demographics within seconds. The feature maintains detailed metadata for each work, including original publication information, historical context, and cultural significance. Interactive timelines show how these works influenced subsequent creative movements and social changes. Users can bookmark favorite discoveries and create personalized collections for future reference. The tool automatically updates its database as copyright offices worldwide confirm additional works entering the public domain. The Creative Remix Workshop empowers users to transform classic works into contemporary adaptations without legal restrictions. This feature provides editing tools for modifying text, combining multiple works, or creating derivative versions for modern audiences. Users can extract characters from novels to develop new storylines or blend multiple musical compositions into fresh arrangements. The workshop includes collaboration spaces where multiple users contribute to shared creative projects. Built-in publishing tools enable direct distribution of finished works through various online platforms. The system tracks attribution requirements for moral rights jurisdictions while emphasizing the freedom to commercialize adaptations. Template libraries help users understand different adaptation approaches, from faithful reproductions to radical reinterpretations. Educational resources explain fair use principles and international copyright variations affecting public domain works. The Educational Resource Generator transforms public domain works into teaching materials for classrooms and training programs. Educators access pre-built lesson plans incorporating newly available literature, historical documents, and artistic works from 1930. The feature creates interactive presentations combining text excerpts, audio recordings, and